Here at Ddasc with
You're not with me. You're not with me.
He's with me actually. Xavier, bro, he is going to help me maybe film. Are you gonna help me film? No. He's not gonna help me film. We're gonna try to film a video. So I have this precious old BMX mountain bike, right? BMX mountain bike. What do you think? All right, so we're gonna launch this thing off a couple ramps, do a couple tricks maybe. I'm gonna get you guys to call me some goals, some tricks, some
Backflip?
Flare.
360?
Oh Lord, this thing rolls like a donkey.
180 bar.
Oh yeah! So this thing is super loose, as you can see how loose the wheel is. Pretty lit, bro, huh? You think how lit do you think it is? On a scale of 1 to 10, how lit? Yeah. 12? Whoa, that's really lit. Got Tampa Trozy. What's that? Hey Carter, you wanna help me film this next jump since Xavier doesn't know how or want to? Thanks, bro. You don't have to if you don't want to, dude. He's like, dude, whatever, dude. I'm just a skater. I have to go pump it up. What? Oh my God! I thought you were gonna die. Woo!
What's up, guys? My name is Evan Daniel. I'm gonna be filming this dude right here. He's gonna launch it. It's gonna go so far. We got Luke here, and I'm just gonna send it.
Launch it more.
Launch it. Get it, dude. It's Carlos.
Dude, I gotta make sure I launch this thing somewhere in the south of the border where nobody gets hurt.
Yeah. Yeah.
Are you okay? Are you okay? It's okay, dude. It's okay. Oh, it's totally okay. We're good. Wow.
Did you break it?
Maybe not okay. The pedal's broken. It's broken. We got it. We'll put the chain back on. Alright.
Chain popped off.
It works. It's no big deal.
Definitely worked.
Is it a bubble or just works?
I think he bent it.
It's just bent. No big deal. Put it in your bike. It's fine.
I think it's fine. Look.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, look.
Whoa, dude,
Ghost biking. Ghost bike.
Or bike cannon.
Yeah. Oh God! What'd you do? You just.
The ghost, guys, a ghost possessed this bike, and it pushed me off, and it started riding by itself, and I'm not sure why, but we're gonna investigate.
Yeah, Isaac. Who's that?
The line.
The line?
I'm gonna hop one footer here, hop one footer there, and see if I can ghost ride bonk over the curb.
Alright.
It doesn't pedal anymore.
Oh yeah, it doesn't pedal.
Thank you guys so much for watching my run. I'm glad to be here. Thanks to my sponsors. I think we were in so warped that the chain won't stay on.
Yeah, chain.
The back end's 2 dial, so the chain won't stay on.
Yeah, I think that's why.
Woo! Oh, that ramp right here, brother. These 2x4s. There's nails on them. I'll be careful, man. There, right there, my brother.
You are not.
This is hand around her ball.
We skate carry guys.
What do you think? What else should I do? I'm gonna send it right here.
Try and air it.
Baby, ride that thing, boy. Dude.
All right, Xavier, hit the mattress.
Is it hard? It's so bouncy. Coming in with the whip.
Dude, your back wheel folded.
Evan's gonna get on a scooter.
Got it, Luke. I got it. Yeah, get it, Luke.
Get it. Oh God.
Alright, I got that.
You got it. You got it.
I'm listening to Nicki Minaj right now.
Yo. Shout out to your sponsors.
What are you sponsored by?
Who you sponsored by?
Applebee's,
Hey, what's your favorite thing in life?
City of Cincinnati.
Players.
What was that?
It's ATV. They make,
Oh, Polaris.
they make ATVs.
Yeah. Hey, can you say something for me? Say, I really do like chicken nuggets.
I really like chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets is like my family.
Chicken nuggets are like my family.
I wonder if I could double tire it and then
Brooklyn.
hop off all
Yeah,
the way.
Do it.
It's gonna be DK.
Alright, chain back on, part 3. We got it.
Marco! Oh God!
That hard. I think something's wrong with it. What brake?
Yeah, I think something's wrong with the front brakes.
I'm gonna put her in a storage place, okay?
Alright, into the storage place.
Whenever it gets to ours, probably leave it there till next week and then maybe come back.
Yeah. Okay, guys, thanks so much for watching. We out here. That was really fun, and we launched the bikes. Hope you all liked that. Anyway, subscribe if you want to, or you can head down to my channel, Ddasc, and you can subscribe to that.
Definitely didn't mean to help that far. Wow. And that's why he's Isaac. Wow. That's also why he's Isaac.
That's a wrap. Thank you guys for watching the video. Please subscribe, like, comment, give Carter Petrozzi a follow. And until next time, peace.